A very warm welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I have come up with a smoky matte brown eye look. Let's begin. As you can see, I have already prepped my eyes and attached a sellotape to the outer corner of my eyes. I'm starting with a neutral color and spreading it all over my eyelid. Next, taking any nude color from the palette and starting to define the crease line of my eyelid. I always believe less is more, so I am taking small amount of color at a time and defining the crease line, and also blending is the key to get a smoother transition. Once I'm satisfied with the blending, next coming up the warm toned brown eyeshadow, which is the hero color of today's eye look, and spreading it all over my eyelid. Next, with the help of a kajal, I'm going to draw a wink to the outer corner of my eyes, and then with the help of a black eyeshadow, I'm going to smudge it to give a smoky effect. At this point, I can remove the sellotape and quite happy with the outcome, as you can see, and also smudging the inner corner of my eyes and then applying that same brown eyeshadow to the lower lash line. Forgot to apply kajal on my lower lash line, so applying it and now smudging the kajal with a black eyeshadow. I must say I have improved a lot in curling my eyelashes and then adding some mascara to give volume to my eyelashes. And that's pretty much it. I absolutely loved how it turned out. If you also liked this video, please do not forget to hit that like button, as it would mean absolute world to me. Thanks for watching. Bye.